Creating a clean, accurately scaled site plan on iPad can feel a bit tricky, especially when you are importing drawings. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a precise site plan in Morpholio Trace. We will use Morpholio's new AI scale feature to automatically detect and set the correct scale. And then I will show you how to refine your site plan using the drawing tools. So, let's get started. Let's open Morpholio Trace app on my iPad. And here you can see all the projects I have already created. Now, I'll tap on the plus icon, click on Import and select the PDF file of my site plan. And here you can see the imported sheet. At the top, you will notice AI scale feature. I'm going to tap on it and as you can see, it has automatically detected the scale. I'm going to use 1:150, which is the actual scale of this PDF, and apply it. So, I am not setting the scale manually. To check if the scale is registered correctly, you can see the dimensions here, 24.15 meters. Let's cross-check if the AI scale feature is working perfectly or not. Here you can see the scale bar showing 25 meters and the dimension reads 24.15 meters, which is very close. I am honestly quite impressed by this. Now, using the scale tool, I will select the pen tool in the black color and adjust the stroke size. Then, I will start tracing my building and all the site elements. As you can see, tracing in Morpholio Trace is very smooth. There's also a new feature called line length, and you can see that while I'm drawing a line, it shows the length in meters. We'll quickly trace all the required lines, keeping them at 90-degree angles. Now, I want to create lines for slopes, so I will go to the gear icon at the top and change the angle setting from 90 degrees to infinite. And now, I can easily create slopes for my sloping roofs like this. Isn't it so easy and convenient? Everything works very smoothly. Now that I have almost traced my floor plan, I want to show you another brand new feature, the Snap to Grid tool. I will go to the settings icon at the top and tap on Set Grid. I will zoom in and for creating the steps of my pool, I will set the grid size. I already know that the grid size I need here is 0.27, so I will enter that. As you can see, the grid updates automatically. I will tap the tick mark and now the grid is active. In the settings, you can see the snap to grid is turned on. Now, every line I draw will snap to the grid, just like working in CAD. This is extremely helpful when creating walls, steps, or repetitive elements. For creating these pool steps, the Snap to Grid tool makes the process very fast. I don't need to create offsets one by one. I have already set my grid and spacing. So now I can quickly draft the steps. I am simply creating the lines like this. Now, when I turn on Snap to Intersection, something interesting happens. If I leave a line in the middle of the grid, it automatically snaps to the nearest intersection. So, even if you stop in the midway, it will snap perfectly to the grid points. Once you understand how this tool works, it becomes very intuitive. Now, I will quickly add all the pool details and then I will show you the result. Once that's done, I'll go back to the settings and turn off the grid. Anytime I need it again, I can come back, adjust the grid dimensions and reuse it. Now, I will create another layer, reduce its paper opacity and rename it Hatch. We'll start adding hatches to my site plan. I will go to the Hatch tool and select a hatch pattern. I will use the Target tool and simply drag into the area where I want the hatch. From here, I can adjust the hatch size, color and opacity. Once it looks good, I will drop it and use it for the other areas. Now, I will change the hatch pattern from the top This time I need horizontal hatch. So I will select it and apply it using the target tool. Very simple, very easy. Next, I will change the hatch again and select the tile hatch. I will adjust its scale and apply it to the required areas. For parking area, I want a different hatch, so I will select another pattern and drop it there. Now, I will add hatching to the pool tiles as well. You can see that it automatically detects the whole area. I will adjust the scale slightly, and once the selection looks right, I will drop the hatch. And now the hatching is complete. Next, it's time to add some colors to the site plan. For this, I will create a new layer and reduce its opacity. I will go back to the hatch option. This time, I will use the polyline tool. I will manually draw the shape of my roof like this. I'm not using the target tool here because it's easier to control the shape using the polyline tool. Once the selection is complete, I will go to the hatch, select no hatch, and choose a darker gray color. I will drop the color like this. Now, the hatch isn't very visible, so I will select the layer and change the blend mode to multiply. Now, you can clearly see it. I will add all the other colors in a similar way. To make the site plan more interesting, I will add shadows. Using the hatch tool with black color and rectangular tool, I will create the roof shadow like this. I will add the rest of shadows one by one. Now, the shadows are done. It's time to add some trees and bring life into the site plan. I will select green color with the roller brush. Then I will go to the stencil tool, open settings, and select tree stencil. I will scale it according to my site plan, adjust its position, and drop it. So easy. I will quickly add all the trees needed in the lawn and the garden areas. You can change the stencil type and place them wherever required, including planters around the house. If the trees feel too bright, you can also reduce the drawing opacity and adjust. To add more depth, I will set the layer to multiply and add darker green tones using the roller brush. I will reduce the opacity and paint the tree shapes one by one. It's so satisfying to do this. Now the trees looks much more natural. My site plan is almost complete. I have already created a title block and now I will add text. I will select the text tool and start adding labels like parking, pool, lawn. You can change the font, color, and text height, then drag and place the text wherever needed. I will add all the required labels like this. Once that's done, I will tap done and here's our site plan with all the text. Now, I will add the dimensions. From the right side, select the dimension tool and from the gear icon, you can see options like snap, precision, unit type, and a new feature, style size. You can adjust the text size to 12, 14, or 16 points. For this plan, I think 6 works perfectly. I will quickly add all the dimensions. Since the scale was already set at the beginning, this becomes very easy. Once all the dimensions are added, I will tap done and you can see everything clearly. Once you are happy with your presentation, go to the top right corner and tap on share icon. And that's how you create clean, accurately scaled site plans in Morpholio Trace using the brand new AI Scale feature. If this tutorial helped streamline your workflow, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more iPad-based architectural tutorials. If you would like to learn Morpholio Trace in depth, check out the link in the description. You will also get 10% off on my sketchy floor plan course. If you have any questions about Morpholio Trace, drop them in the comment box below. I am Kritika and I will see you in the next one.